Mayon volcano has erupted in the Luzon Island of the Philippines. This is a 2.5 kilometer tall volcano. Yes, 2.5 kilometer. If you want to walk it straight, that's a long distance, let alone on a slope. And yet, we have an eruption in this volcano. The pressure of the magma was so high, it blew up the top and created an avalanche of pyroclastic flows. This is gigantic. Scary. These valleys down there, you see that the pyroclastic, the hot ash and other material are flowing down in a big torrential current, as you can see. And from a distance, when you look at it, it looks something like that. Really scary. And in the night, even more scary, as you can see. This beautiful time lapse shows how the volcano actually erupts. This is a volcano with a top which is blocked by what we call in geological terms a volcanic dome. A volcanic dome happens to be of a felsic material. It's a kind of silica made or silicium dioxide material, which is very sticky. It's like a polymer. It sticks and sits on top of the volcano, stopping it from erupting. And when the pressure builds up, bang, it explodes. It pops up like a fizzy drink top when you open it. It just suddenly gas pressure shatters the rocks, shatters the sitting magma on top of it, the plug, and creates an avalanche flow. Depending on the size of the volcanic dome, it can be disastrous. Sometimes it just stays there for a while, like this volcano spine that you see in the Shivelish volcano of Russia, and is a little bit like a constipation. It stays there. The gas pressure is behind it, is building up, pushing it up. This material is very fragile. It may collapse eventually. It's like that phenomenon in the body, as you can see here. Then when it comes, you have to apply pressure. It comes up with a big wind. And that's in the Philippines what we see now. It's a subduction of the Philippine oceanic plate under the Eurasian plate. When this plate goes down into the earth, it melts down, comes back as a volcano, like a pimple, bursting, full of pus.